starting off with 20 bodyweight push-ups, then straight into 50 skips. After a 30 seconds break, hit 20 pike push-ups for the shoulders and another 50 skips. Final set, I put a 20 kg on my back, lift one leg off the floor, and do 10 reps each leg, and then 50 skips. 1 minute rest, and then I go for 10 pull-ups and straight into 30 seconds handstand hold. Next set, 5 muscle ups and another handstand hold. I repeat this one twice. Next one is 5 rounds of explosive knee to elbow push-ups with a jump. I go 10 reps per round, 1 minute rest between each. Last one is 3 sets of handstand push-ups, as many as I can manage. And to finish, I go for 15 minutes of light skiing, and that's all.